YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix an error occurred during the authentication in your Outlook. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues and you seeing this error, so it is usually related to your wrong credentials and maybe your mail server issues. To identify the issue, first step guys, you check the Microsoft server status. So just go here, simply go to the website of status.cloud.microsoft. Okay, after click here you check your service health status. For checking this, check status in your admin. Okay, here is all the services it shows. Okay, here it show operational, and if you want to go to deep, so you just open the link and check. Another thing is guys, you restart your Outlook and your device. So guys, if you are using the application, so you just close the application and turn it on again and try to restart your device. Sometimes the simple restart also resolve these minor glitches. Still having the issue, so guys, you remove and re-add your account. For this, simply click on your icon. After that, go to my profile section. Okay, and guys, here you check that your profile is working. Okay, for logout, you just go here and sign in with here it's sign out. Okay, so this is the way that you can done. Still having the issue, so guys, you check your two-factor authentication application, it's properly working or not. Sometimes it not sending the approval to your application, so try to check it. Okay, and guys, if you are using any VPN and proxy, so try to disable these and turn off your VPN and off proxy and try to sign in again. Last thing is guys, you update your Outlook. So guys, for updating, you simply go to the Microsoft official page. Otherwise, if you are using Mac, so you simply go to the App Store. Okay, in the App Store guys, you simply search your Outlook. Okay, and guys, here it shows get, but in your case it show update, so you try to update it. So these are the basic things that you can done. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.